hair grows in perfectly healthy. Everybody thinks that we need to be adding a ton of stuff. What you
Right.
really need to do is just unplug it.
Yeah, and keep it as simple as possible. Especially with everyone on YouTube, like they're just like, oh yeah, this product, that product. Oh no, do your hair like this? No, do your hair like that. And it's like, well, how often do you do this thing that you're recommending you do?
Well, that's the thing too. They're influencers. They're trying out a million different products, and
Right.
they're just really good at styling their hair. They could use garbage.
Exactly. And it's like, that's their career. Like, so your hair looks amazing because you spent a lot of time doing it. I have a job that has nothing to do with my hair.
Right. I have a job that has nothing to do with my hair. It has everything to do with yours. People will jump on me and be like, well, what do you mean you're selling product? I'm like, I'm selling the lack of products. I'm more interested in you using a shampoo and conditioner that isn't going to hurt you in the long run.
Right.
And if you want to grab a hold of some styling products because you want to be able to manipulate your hair, great, but it's not going to set you back in the long run. That is, I'm more interested in people wearing their hair in its natural state.
Right.
That's my favorite.